How to wrap a gift in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, also known as WOW WOTLK. So in order to wrap a gift you must buy some wrapping paper, and you can buy some wrapping paper if you are in Orgrimmar. You can get it from here. As you'll enter Orgrimmar, now turn left, and inside this building you will find a vendor with general goods, and here you can find red wrapping paper or also blue paper. And for the alliance you'll have to get right here in Stormwind City at the trade district. I will show you right now, so let's enter this building from here and let's see, is this the NPC? No, she's not. Maybe this one. He was. Yes, from here we can buy the same wrapping paper. Now this can be found at many vendors. I will show you just in main cities. Now that we have the wrapping paper, we have to right click on the paper that we bought and click on the item which we want to wrap, and we'll turn it into a gift. Now you can't wrap stackable items and many other items. You can stack just items which don't stack, and that's how to wrap gifts in WOW WOTLK. And now you can trade it or gift it to someone. The person who you'll gift it will have to right click on it, and in this way we'll see the item that you just wrapped. So that was a tutorial how to wrap a gift in WOW WOTLK. I hope this helped, and thanks a lot for watching.